Alright, y'all, so I was talking to y'all the entire time and I was not recording. This is why sometimes I prefer to do voiceovers because, yeah. Okay, so what I have put on my hair is the passion fruit curl paste by Curls. This is probably the only one of the only products that I know of that will lay my hair down and my edges down without them curling up. This is an old Tweed out. This is probably about 4 days old. Maybe 3 days old now. I think it's 3 days old. Yeah, about 3 days old now. So what I want to show y'all, let me zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so I'm not ready to wash my hair yet, and most of the time I use these little bands. You can get them from the dollar store, get them from Walmart, wherever you can find them. The problem with these bands are, I don't know if y'all have had this problem. When you first purchase these bands, they are super tight, right? Well, usually when I put one on, by midday, I'm ready to take it off. I'm at work and I'm about ready to snatch this off my head. I'm moving it to different spots on my head because it's so tight on my head. By the time I get in the car, it's off, my hair is everywhere. Now, the other problem is it gets too loose, like this one. It's very loose. So then I'll have to like double it up, and then it's still too tight on my head. Then if I don't double it up, when I say double up, I mean like that. Then it's too loose and it's not how I want it. So I'm gonna show y'all. So this one is very loose. And this came right out of my drawer. And I think all of my bands downstairs are loose like this. So I haven't been using them. So because my hair is kind of old now, I want to put it up because I'm not ready to wash it. All right, so this is what it looks like. I mean, I could rock it like this, just lay my edges or whatever, but I don't like it because it's like poofed out in the back and it's not tight enough, and I don't like it. So I've been seeing this brand a lot lately, and they're in Georgia too, by the way. Anyway, it's called the puffcuff. So I ordered the puffcuff Junior, and it says no headache, no hair damage. So it's only hair clamp for thick, curly, or textured hair. And I like how it gives you directions step by step on how to use it. Y'all see? All right. Hold on, I gotta pause my camera because I'm about to run out of memory. All right, I'm back. So I really want to try this clamp because I'm hoping, and I pray I got the right one. So if it doesn't turn out right, y'all, it's probably because I didn't get the correct one, but I took the quiz. So hopefully it is the correct one. So this is what it looks like. Okay, very sturdy. And then you just like that. Okay, hopefully I can do this. So I want my hair, oh Lord, I just hope it fits around my hair, Jesus. Cause I can't even hold my hair in one hand. That's how thick my hair is, y'all. Like, I be struggling. All right. Okay, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna take the clip, open it up, and I'm gonna go like this. Okay. And I'm gonna come around. Oh Lord, I don't think it's so big. Oh, y'all, I might have to get a big one. I'm gonna try though. I thought I had it. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna have to go up a size, y'all. This might work when I straighten my hair, but I don't straighten my hair enough. Oh, Jesus. I thought I ordered the right one. Let's see. Okay. Now I gotta move my hand out the way. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it goes. All right, y'all. Oh, snap. Woo, baby. Okay. And it's secure. It's secure. It's secure. Okay. All I gotta do is lay my edges. Alright, so take a little bit of this. Got my brush. I purchased the brush actually from my local beauty supply store here in the Atlanta area. I think it was a Beauty Master. Yeah, it might have been Beauty Master I went to. And I was like, okay, let me just brush. Support us brown girls that's out here doing things, honey. Okay. Ooh, honey, look. Baby, I'm telling. Okay, I'm a quick story. So, maybe back around, maybe 5 years ago, I was looking for something to lay my edges. I might have been in Target when I purchased it. Had to be. Went at Target. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this. It's called Curls. I'm gonna try it. And honey, I don't think I can find anything like it. Because like, what is it called? Edge Booster or something like that. I like it, and it does lay my edges, but then I have a white film on my edges. I can't be walking around with a white film on my edges, y'all. That ain't cool. So I dealt with them for a little bit, and most recently I was like, you know what? I'm tired of trying edge control, because a lot of people swear by Hicks. Hicks don't do nothing for me. And yes, my scalp be clean and everything, and they don't do nothing. I'm still so yeah. I was like, you know what? I gotta go back to what I know. And I know curls gonna lay my edges. Okay. And fun fact, I really don't know how to lay my edges. I just be doing some. I try my best. Then we'll get the middle. I try and hope for the best, and hopefully it turn out all right. See, yeah, see that look too extra right there. Okay, whatever. Anyway, hey, come on, puffcuff. Puffcuff, you did that. I love trying new stuff, yeah. So if there are any products, any hair products that are brown on, no offense to anybody else, but brown on hair products, that's my preference. Now when it comes to like items like the puffcuff, yes, I do prefer the company to be brown, but I know as of right now, there are not a lot of companies that are brown, but like when it comes to shampoo, conditioners, like the products that you put on your hair, I want it to be brown because it's enough of us out there. I want it to be brown. So if you know any brown owned hair companies, let me know, drop it in the comments. But okay, so look, cute, right? I'm gonna wear my hair just like this to work. Cute. All right, y'all. Be sure to check them out at thepuffcuff.com. See y'all later.